Hey, Dave here with another product review video. We're actually going to review two separate products in this video, but they are basically kind of doing the same thing. They're very, very similar to each other, and they revolve around oral health and restoring the proper microbe balance in your mouth. There's a constant battle, as you know, going on all the time, all the way through your digestive system between potentially bad bugs and the trillions of good bugs that are hanging around from your mouth all the way down to your large intestine. The mouth is really important in this regard because if we get poor oral health, if we have gum disease, bleeding gums, inflamed gums, not only that can that cause a lot of pain and problems in the oral cavity, bad breath and things like that, but it can also transfer into problems in the sinuses. It can transfer into problems with the ear, things like earaches and things like that, and it might predispose to things like sore throats, recurring chronic throat infections, and possibly even problems with the lungs as well, because it's like a one big tube network. The nasal passageways, the sinuses, the mouth, the esophagus, the trachea, the intestines, they're all part of one big cave network. So if you have a problem in one part of that cave network, it can create problems in all the other parts. So it's really important that we address this. Now, these two products that we're going to talk about here are, if I can just pull them in towards the camera, there they are. They're called Florassist. And what they are is they're probiotics that are specifically designed for rebalancing the good bugs in the oral cavity. So we know a lot of people who drink yogurt, who take probiotic supplements for the rest of the digestive system, the intestines and what have you. These little products are specifically for the mouth. And they're really, really good to use and really great for kids as well because they're lozenges. So you're not swallowing anything, you're just putting one of these really nice tasting lozenges in your mouth, sucking it, letting it dissolve, and you're getting these good bacteria going into the mouth. Now, what are the bacteria specifically? Well, the bacteria in these products are called Streptococcus salivarius or salivarius. Big, long, fancy name, like all of these bacteria, but these are particularly good ones. They crowd out bad bugs, particularly things like Streptococcus pyogenes, which causes gum disease, and Candida as well. And they create chemicals themselves through their own metabolism that knock down these bad bugs as well. So they don't just go in there and crowd out the bad bugs, they also chemically act against the bad bugs too. So when you take them, what the studies have shown is that these specific bacteria, believe it or not, can not only improve breath, improve the microbiome of the mouth, but they can also protect against sore throats. So they did a study in Italy and they showed that kids with chronic sore throats, when they started taking these particular bacteria using the lozenges, they found that 80 to 90% of those kids responded favorably and had much less, many fewer episodes of sore throats. So it's really good if you've got kids who have chronically sore throats and possibly even lung infections. Now, they've also shown that using these particular products is also really good for improving post-nasal drip, where you get just a little bit of sort of phlegm and mucus dripping back down into your throat from your sinuses, and really good at just preventing sinus infections and sinus problems full stop. So if you're thinking about healing your digestive system top down with an improved sinus and nasal function, reduced risk of getting throat infections and possibly even lung infections and middle ear infections, which is something that the studies have also shown, then this is a really, really good product. Very, very useful to use in winter when all of these colds and flus and things like that are going around and everybody starts to get knocked down and knocked out. You and your kids can be the ones who just march along without any problems at all if you use these products. Now, of course, I'm bigging up the products because I like them. I find them really effective. But they cannot replace healthy lifestyle, which includes your diet, your sleep, your rest, your exercise, your breathing, and all of the different things that we like to use as a foundation for optimizing health. So I don't, as always with these product reviews, I'm not saying that these supplements are absolutely perfect and that they're going to solve all of your life's problems, but they can be really helpful in reducing the incidence of some of these nasty things that happen, particularly in winter. So if you'd like a little bit more information about them, I've put some links in the area below. Also, as always, you'll find some links there about how we can help you adopt a much healthier eating lifestyle plan through the Digestive Reset plan or through some of the books as well. So I hope you've enjoyed this product review. There's many more on the way if you search around the website, and I will catch you very soon. Thank you.